Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the newest product from SwitchBot, the SwitchBot Air Purifier Table. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to SwitchBot for sending us this product to be reviewed. I would like to introduce SwitchBot for those who do not have any idea what or who SwitchBot is. SwitchBot is a company that specializes on making smart home products. In their lineup, they have smart door locks, smart humidifiers, smart finger robots, they have smart curtains, smart robot vacuums. They have a lot of versions of it. Yeah, I think anything under the sun, they have made it already. If you want to check out more about SwitchBot, go onto the description box and click on SwitchBot's website. Without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the newest product from SwitchBot, the SwitchBot Air Purifier Table. I'm now going to start the unboxing. Using the cutter, let's open the box. Let's cut the right and the left packaging tapes. Let's open the box. This is the quick guide info card. Information on how to assemble and the application download information. And this is the manual. Read it and be familiar with all the parts and operations of the device. And this is the power brick. Let's remove all its plastic cover. Build quality of the power brick is quite high, feels premium, and it's quite heavy. Input voltage is 100 to 240 volts. Output is DC 24 volts, 3 amperes. Cable length is around 1.8 meters with a cable coating that prevents pet chewing. This is SwitchBot's info card with their socials info. Next, they have also included a screwdriver with 4 spare screws. So yeah, if you need spare screws, they had given you. And let's now move on to the main content of the box. This is the tabletop and the light section of the air purifier. Let's remove it from its plastic cover. The tabletop has a wood grain feels, even though this is not wood. Color is a standard light color, which is common here in Japan. This is the lower and the main part of the air purifier. In the bottom of the light part, there is a female wire connector. We will connect it to the male connector on the main body. This is the male wire connector. Let's remove first the tape. Connecting the female to the male connector is very easy. Make sure that both connectors are locked into place. Next, you need to insert the table to the top of the main body. Make sure to follow the info card manual for the correct installation. Rotate the table to lock in place. Make sure that it is locked properly. This is the wireless charging area. It has a rubber ring in which it prevents the phone or device to slip while charging. Now we are going to check the buttons or light section. First, the light section is the Wi-Fi. Next is the ion generator indicator. Next is the child lock. Next button is for the fan strength from left to right, high, mid, and low. Next is the power button. The next button is the modes. It has auto, pet mode, sleep. Final button is the timer. It has 2, 4, 6 hours interval. On the back side of the air purifier is for the aroma diffuser function. Pour essential oil to this sponge for aroma function. Let's put it back. Powering on the air purifier. On the lower part of the air purifier, there is a female connector. This is where the particle sensor is located. Removing the back cover is very easy since it is magnetic. This is the filter. First, let's remove the plastic cover of the filter. It's very easy. These are the magnets which are installed on the back cover. And finally, this is the air filter. There are multiple pull tabs for easy removal and installation. Let's remove the first part of the air filter. This is for pet hair and other larger particles which are sucked in. Next, let's separate the carbon filter and the HEPA filter. This is the carbon filter. This removes bad odors, other strong odors. And this is the HEPA filter. Effectively refilters out very small particulates. And the pull tabs for easy handling of the filters. Assembly is just as easy as disassembly. Let's put everything back. The final filter has a Velcro for easy installation. These 3 filter systems will surely clean the air that will be sucked in by the air purifier. Let's install the filter back to the main body. It's very easy. The blinking light is an indicator for ion emitter. Ions disable germs and agglomerates dust and pet hair. This is the wireless charging portion. Charging of my AirPods and my wife's iPhone. Encountered no problems at all. Next, I am now testing the 10 customizable color light. This would be much better if all the colors in the color wheel can be applied to this. So yeah, 10 light colors are limited. Next, I am now testing the light settings. I set it on, which the light sensor, when it detects darkness, it turns off. And then when you turn it off, the light of the air purifier stays on, or it turns on even it is dark. By the way, these are the brightness levels and I like it. This is not too strong but good enough to be a great mood light. I am now demonstrating how sensitive the light sensor. This is the tiny hole is where the light sensor is located. So since the light source is in the front, it detects that it is bright, and also I set it to on, it turns off. So again, I retested it. On the front light is on, so it is on. When I turn the front light off, it will turn off. I really like the fade to black settings. Turned off the light setting, so even if the front light is turned off, it will remain turned on, or it will turn on. It's very sensitive. I really like it. Good job, SwitchBot. Finally, this is where we place it in our living room. So yeah, it's a great side table for our sofa. And that's it for the unboxing and review part. Now let's go on to the pros and the cons. Number 1 pro for me is the space saving and multi-purpose design. First up, the air purifier doubles as a bedside, coffee, or side table. This makes it a good choice for those who have limited space, especially here in Japan. Apartments are quite smaller, houses are quite smaller, and space is a luxury. Great appliance or furniture in one. Provides you with an ample side table or bedside table or coffee table, and it fits seamlessly to any small room without any clutter. Second pro, this is the pro that I really like, wireless charging option. It's very convenient since it is already a side table near our sofa. We can charge our phone, our AirPods, our tablets wirelessly. We don't need any more charging cables. Just put our phone on the table and it's good to go. Third pro for me is the effective air purification. Since it has a 3-layer filter system, it's very effective on cleaning the air. And also, maintenance is very easy. Since it has the first layer, the removable filter, it's very easy, just vacuum it and then, yeah, large particles are easily disposed. And then it has the HEPA filter, it has also the carbon filter. Odors or strong smells are effectively diluted or removed in the air. Since it has the HEPA filter, which filters out 99.25% of PM 2.5 particles. So it's very effective. I think bacteria and dust is effectively filtered. So that is my third pro. Number 4, my fourth pro is the adjustable ambient lighting. So the table has 10 customizable light colors. It can act as a soft night light or a mood light, a great function to have. And finally, my last pro is whisper quiet and energy efficient functionality. It only produces around 20 dB on its lowest setting, in the quiet setting, the sleep one. It is under SwitchBot's silent tech. They have also this deployed on their smart vacuums, which are also very quiet, by the way. So check out also this video. I reviewed 2 smart vacuums from SwitchBot. So check this video if you want that also. The K10 Plus has also the silent tech, same as this air purifier. It ensures that you will not be disturbed. And I think that is it for my pros. Let's go on to the cons. The number 1 con for me, changing of filters. Since the filter is consumable, I think that's the main problem of all air purifier systems. So you need to change your filters and it will cost you money. And yeah, I think that's the con that we cannot escape if we buy a air purifier system. So yeah, that is my number 1 con. Second con is that I really want that I will be able to see the numbers. Example, the 2.5 reading. Also in our house, we have a Xiaomi air purifier and it has a little screen, an AMOLED screen. It shows you the percentage level of the filter, the amount of particles in the air. So it's very visual. I want that functionality also in this air purifier. For me, the lighting functionality changes lights. For example, good quality is I think blue and then turns to green and then red if the air quality is bad. That's good on the visual part, but for me, I really like to have a small screen and be able to see the reading of the air purifier. And also in the app, that's also, I want it to be specific. I want it to be very detailed. I want numbers on the readings. In the application, there's only good, very good, like that, and very bad quality of air. So it's kind of vague. I really want to have an exact number reading. And I think that is it for my cons, 2 cons only. Overall, this air purifier system is highly recommended, especially for those who want a compact and multifunctional air purifier, not just a purifier itself. It is very multifunctional, so it gives you the functionality of being a side table, a bedside table, also a mood light giver. It also has an aroma diffuser built in. The greatest functionality that it has is the wireless charging. That's a very big plus. I think that is it for my pros and the cons and for my unboxing and review. Before we end, if you want to check out other SwitchBot products, just click on the links here or on this playlist. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I think that is it. See you on the next one. Bye. Peace.